Welcome back to my channel. This particular question is under scalars and vector quantities. Okay, scalar and vector quantities. Let's read the question. It said two forces whose resultant is 100 Newton. I get it. Two forces whose resultant is 100 Newton are perpendicular to each other. It said if one of the forces, okay, if one of the force makes an angle of 60 degree, are you getting it? Makes an angle of 60 degree with the resultant, calculate its magnitude. Don't be confused with this word, okay? Magnitude, it means the size of something or the size of force, how big it is. I get me. So please take note. So solution. Now from this question, we can easily draw the diagram, okay? They said two forces whose resultant is 100 are perpendicular to each other if one of them makes an angle of what? 60 degrees. Now, the resultant, look at it, take note of this resultant. You know, resultant is always in this form, right? So we can easily draw this right angle triangle, right? Now, this is the resultant. I get it. Now, they said whose resultant is what? 100 Newton, right? Then they said two forces. So let's make here for force one. Let's make here force two. Are you getting it? This F, okay? Force one and force two. Now look at the question. They said if one of them, mean if one of the force makes an angle of 60 degree with the resultant. So meaning that one of these force will make an angle with this resultant. So it can either be here or here. I get it. So anywhere we choose is correct. I get it. So okay, let's choose here. Okay, or let's choose here. It's still the same thing. Okay, so 60 what degree. If one of them makes an angle with 60 degree with the what resultant. I get it. Now to calculate the magnitude, we make use of what? SOHCAHTOA. I get it. So where S is what? Sine equals what? Opposite all over hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. Then C is what? Cos equal to adjacent all over hypotenuse. Then tan equal to what? Opposite all over adjacent. Are you getting it now? So now take note. This is the angle, right? Where the angle is facing, that is called the opposite. Are you getting it? This is always the hypotenuse. The longest side is always the hypotenuse, right? Now, to know the opposite, where the angle is facing, that is called the opposite. Now, that is so. Supposing the angle is here, here will be what? The opposite, right? But the angle is here. So where is the angle facing? The angle is facing this direction, right? So here is the what? Opposite. Now, so meaning that we have opposite and what? Hypotenuse. So what formula are we using? Opposite and hypotenuse. So we are making use of what? Sine. Are you getting it? So we are making use of, so it will now be, sine 60 equal to what? The opposite, which is F1, right? This is where the angle is facing, which is F1 all over hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse, which is what? The 100. So are you getting it now? So by making this the short of the formula, we have F1 equal to what? That is 100 multiplied by what? Sine 60. So we have 100 times sine 60 is 8 point, sorry, sine 60 is 0.8660. So if you multiply everything, 100 times 0.860 will give us 86.6. We are calculating for force. This is the size of the force, which is the magnitude. Okay, so F1 equal to what? 86.6 Newton. Okay, so this is how to calculate for this type of question under scalar and vector functions. You get me? So in case you don't understand, you can rewatch the video, but it's very simple. Thanks for watching. If you are watching on Facebook, please follow for more videos, drop your comments, and please share this video for other students to watch and learn. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.